refraction of light. When a ray of light travels from one transparent medium to another, the what will happen? The path of the light will undergo some deviation. Is it right? This deviation of ray of light is called as refraction. Refraction takes place due to the difference in the velocity of light in different media. The velocity of light is more in rarer medium. We have two mediums, rarer medium and denser medium. Where it will be more means in rarer medium it is more, and in denser medium what will happen? It is less. Refraction of light obeys two laws. One is nothing but the first law of refraction, and the other one is nothing but the second law of refraction. The incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal to the refracting surface all lie in the same plane. That is, incident as well as the refracted and the normal will lie in the same plane. Okay, yes. And in the second law what happens means, the sine of the angle of sine I means incidence, r means angle of refraction. This will be equal to the refractive index. So we can have to take the refractive index for the two medias, that is the rarer medium and the denser medium, as mu2 by mu1. This law is nothing but Snell's law. What law? Snell's law. That is sin I by sin r is equal to mu2 by mu1. Refractive index also gives an idea how fast or how slow the light travels in the medium. The ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of the light in a medium is defined as the refractive index mu, and also it can be calculated as mu is equal to c by v. The speed of light in a medium is low if the refractive index of the medium is high. See, when the light traveling in the medium is low, what will happen to the refractive index? Ra is equal to, it will be high. When light travels from denser to rarer, d to r, the refracted ray is bent away from the normal. Bending, you know, no, the light will be traveling in a straight line only. After that, what happens? It gets refracted. It like a bend down will take place from the normal line to the interface. This is the second law. Okay, when light travels from a rarer medium to denser medium, what happens? The refracted ray is bent towards the normal. It goes towards the normal line drawn to the interface.